YouTube, what is up? So, I got the AirPod Max 2s in the house. So what do you say? Let's get into it. So I got the AirPod Pro Max 2. I got them in the midnight color. And let's see, you get the little bra smart case. So I've never owned a pair of AirPod Maxes, never tried them. So this is all new for me. Whee!
Yeah, boy.
Ooh. Cool, huh? Remember back in the day when that used to be a thing? Maybe it still is. I don't know. All right, so let's go ahead and let's pop this thing on. Open here. What do we got? Oh, hey, that's just like the picture. Nice. So taking them out here. Ugh, they weren't kidding. They're a little heavy.
There's that word again, heavy.
What else we got in here? No stickers. Lots of instructions on how to use it. More than I think what comes in an iPhone. This one I think I'm gonna keep just in case. These ones, not so much. And then we get a USB-C, nice braided USB-C to USB-C cable. 3 foot maybe. I don't know, let's see. Yeah, about 3 foot. Just your typical USB-C to USB-C cable. But I'm glad that they're upgraded. You get, braided cables nowadays, which is kind of cool. So let's see, anything else in the box? No charging brick? It's still funny.
Shut up!
So let's take a look here. What's, I guess you unwrap them first out of the bra. Maybe? Oh yeah, they come out of the bra. And then they have 2 little cups to protect the cups. And then you can take the bra off the bra.
Daddy, chill.
Dude, that's oh, it's got a nice little felt on the inside, which is cool. This is all hammered together. I don't know, there might be a way that you undo that, but from what I understand, this is the only way to really turn them off or put them in a deep sleep mode or something like that. There is no on and off switch. We'll see how that goes. Midnight color. You do get the, oh look, and they're on. They turned on by themselves. Is it trying to connect to my phone? Got my phone going on here. Just push here, maybe? Oh, maybe here. Push that button. Yep, that's it. So connect it. Hold the button. And there you go. It's connected. Noise control. Press the noise control button to do something I didn't read it fast enough. Media and call. Press digital crown once to play. Pause, accept calls, mute. Skip forward. What else can I do? You can do control center with the volume slider. I already knew that. Oh, wait, but you can go into could you do that with the AirPod Pro 3s? Okay. Control AirPods by moving your head, sure. Live translation, not now. Lossless audio with USB-C. Don't have that cable. Well, I don't know. Is it just the USB-C to USB-C cable for lossless? I don't know, I'm no audiophile.
Welcome back, Captain Obvious.
Oh, there's my name. I'll probably have to blur that part out. Let's go ahead, let's look these over just a little bit more. So they turn, that's about it as far as turning. So this is the left and the right cup. They got little L's and R's in them. So flat, and then here out like so. See, I was also worried about, are these gonna fit on my fat head? Oh, that feel along the top here. Hold on a second. This feel along here, this silicone rubbery feel There's the canopy, a nice mesh. It's got a good feel to it. And the cups are removable, right? Yeah, just magnetic, on and off, which would be kind of cool. You could have a different set of air cups if you're gonna work out. One set, that gets sweaty, and then you have the nice set for other stuff. I think they're like $70 on the Apple site, but I know Amazon's got third party, so we'll check out some third party stuff. Any accessories or anything you guys want me to check out, let me know in the comments, because I need to find some accessories. I think I'm going to be looking for a different case for better travel that makes it go to sleep.
Let me tell you a story.
I pre-ordered on March 25th, the day of the pre-orders. And I did it when the site went available. Got it April 2nd through the 6th will be the delivery. But there is no pickup currently unavailable at your local Apple store. So I'm like,
that's suspicious.
But all right. So I placed the order. I get an email notification yesterday that they're shipping out and I will have them by tomorrow. And then, joke's on me, I find out this morning they're available at the store for pickup. So I had to take a half a day off of work and I bought a second pair.
Oh, Muffin, it's so hard being you.
But that's okay because I have PTO time and half day off work, so I can put a video together and I'll just return the ones that I get tomorrow. So no harm, no foul. Actually, I get a half day off of work. So the April Fool joke's on you, Tim. Now, looking at these ear cups, I notice, they have these little holes in here. Those are sensors. There's some sensors. That's probably the ear detection sensors, I'm assuming. And they have them on both sides. Woof. Like I said, these things are heavy. Let's find out. My scale here. Well, that's all crazy. At 0, and let's lay them down. 350 grams. Just to compare. Here, let me take off my Rebel Air case. Here, my favorite case. And what do we got here? 247, so 100 grams more. iPhone 17 Pro Max to the AirPod Pro or AirPod Maxes. See, I don't have a hard time with the Pro Max. Anyways, I digress.
What the?
But as far as the build quality on this, they feel premium for sure. With the metal, aluminum sides and nice stretch out here. Well, and there's the USB Type-C plug-in, some microphones. What else? Got your crown, your digital crown here, and your main power button or your mute, but I don't know what all that button does. Doesn't turn it off.
He ain't lying.
Let's go ahead and try them on and see how they fit. Make sure they're set for fat heads like myself. Yeah? Oh. Bro, that transparency's out of this world. That's pretty good. I can tell you though, with my fat head, it fits on there. I mean, it's... Whoa. I went I hit the transparency to... Wait. And that started the music. Hold on. I always like to do a little Nirvana Breed to really listen to. Ooh. Yeah. Bass is nice. Okay. It sounds great, and the transparency is really good too. Which, I have the AirPod Pro 3s, and of course, noise cancellation and transparency, all that's great.
Well,
I have a hard time with the in-ear stuff, man. I can't never find. Yep. I have a hard time finding ear tips that I like, that are comfortable, and my ear holes are different sizes, I guess, and blah, blah, blah. And tried silicone. I've tried the styrofoam or the foam, whatever, all kinds of foam. Because when I do editing on my iPad, you know, I have a pair of sound cores, Q somethings, that I've had for a good couple of years. I mean, there's some weight to it, but I think I can keep these on my head longer than I can the AirPods in my ears. I think I'm gonna dig these. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what questions you guys may have about this. Man, it gets a little warm in there. A little bit? I don't know. It's kind of warm in here anyways. And with follow-up video, you know, I'll do a full review of these and what I think of them. You know, $550, that's kind of pricey. But, you know, if you're in the ecosystem and you need over-ears, it's really the only, you know, option. I mean, there's options out there, don't get me wrong. But the Apple ecosystem, as far as over-the-ear, this is it. And is it worth the $550? I don't know. But they sound great. They sound good. They're heavy. But it didn't seem too bad wearing them over my head like so. I accidentally started them again. But that's kind of cool. Oh, I can adjust the volume up here too. Just keep spinning it. I want it at 11. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. Peace and love.